Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unblock a merchant on Cash App in 2026. So if a payment is failing or a business can't charge you, the merchant may blocked, and fixing this only takes a few minutes. So first of all, you need to open your Cash App application on your phone. Over here, click on your profile icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. So what this is going to do is it is going to redirect you here on this page where you will see your account and the settings option. So you need to scroll down on this page and look for the option of privacy. Here inside privacy, the second option would be of blocked accounts. So you need to simply click on it. So this particular section is going to show you the list of all of the contacts that are blocked. So inside this block list, you will see the blocked users and the businesses. So you need to look the list and find the merchant or the business name that you want to unblock. Simply tap on the merchant's name and click on the option of unblock right next to it. So when you unblock it, you are going to basically remove all the restrictions immediately. So this is how you can unblock a merchant on Cash App. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.